Your brain makes decisions the way a phone drains a battery. Every choice, major or trivial, pulls from the same limited charge. Scientists call it decision fatigue. And here's the counterintuitive part. It isn't the hard decisions that drain you most. It's the sheer number of them. By late afternoon, after a few hundred calls, the mind starts cutting corners to conserve energy, favoring the easy option, the status quo, or no decision at all. It feels like reasoning. It's actually depletion. That's why your sharpest judgment and your worst judgment can live in the same day, hours apart. Leaders run this battery to zero more than almost anyone. The weight of constant choices compounds until the charge is gone. CEREVITY gives executives a place to restore it. Licensed clinicians, fully virtual, completely confidential. Learn more at cerevity.com.